This Magnifique 4-quart casserole digital slow cooker is transforming the way we cook for families, offering versatility, convenience, and exceptional performance in one sleek package. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner, planning a holiday feast, or bringing a dish to your next family gathering, this slow cooker delivers mouth-watering results every time. If you're tired of juggling multiple pots, pans, and cooking gadgets, the Magnifique 4-quart casserole digital slow cooker is the solution you've been looking for. With its oven-safe inner pot, programmable controls, and dishwasher-friendly features, this appliance is a must-have for anyone who values delicious food and ease in the kitchen. Why you need the Magnifique 4-quart casserole slow cooker. The Magnifique 4-quart casserole slow cooker is designed for families and home cooks who want the perfect balance between cooking versatility and convenience. Its 4-quart capacity is ideal for feeding 4 or more people, ensuring that everyone gets their fill. The best part? It's not just a slow cooker. It also functions as a versatile oven-safe casserole dish that can handle temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking styles. Here are the standout reasons you should consider adding the Magnifique 4-quart casserole slow cooker to your kitchen collection. Perfect for family meals. The 4-quart capacity is just the right size to cook hearty meals for families, making sure no one misses out on the deliciousness. Oven-safe design. The unique oven-safe inner pot can withstand temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, offering you unparalleled flexibility to transition from slow cooking to baking with ease. Precise cooking with digital controls. The programmable digital controls allow you to set the cooking time and temperature exactly to your liking, ensuring perfect results every time. Convenient and easy cleanup. With its dishwasher-safe removable ceramic pot and glass lid, cleaning is made simple and quick, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Key features. The Magnifique 4-quart casserole slow cooker boasts a 4-quart capacity, making it an ideal choice for families, small gatherings, or meal prepping. Whether you're preparing a hearty casserole, a tender roast, or a vegetarian stew, this slow cooker provides ample room to cook enough for everyone. One of the most impressive features of the Magnifique 4-quart casserole slow cooker is its oven-safe ceramic inner pot. With the ability to withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily transition from slow cooking to baking without switching to another dish. This means you can slow cook a dish to perfection, then transfer it to the oven to add a crispy finish or bake a dessert, all in the same pot. Gone are the days of guessing cooking times and temperatures. With the Magnifique digital slow cooker, you can set the exact time and temperature for your dishes using the easy-to-use programmable digital controls. This level of control ensures your meals are cooked to the perfect level of tenderness while locking in all the flavors. Cleaning up after cooking can often feel like a chore, but not with the Magnifique 4-quart casserole slow cooker. The removable ceramic pot is dishwasher-safe, meaning you can quickly pop it into the dishwasher after cooking. The glass lid is also dishwasher safe, and the non-stick surface ensures that there's minimal mess to clean up. The Magnifique 4-quart casserole slow cooker is designed for people on the go. Whether you're bringing your delicious dish to a potluck, a family gathering, or a picnic, the secure latch strap ensures the lid stays in place and prevents spills during transport. You can confidently carry your slow-cook creations without worrying about leaks or messes. The slow cooking process is perfect for enhancing the natural flavors of your ingredients. The Magnifique 4-quart casserole slow cooker is engineered to lock in those rich, savory flavors and gently cook your ingredients to the ideal level of tenderness. Whether you're cooking a tender roast or a vegetable medley, this appliance helps create perfectly cooked dishes with deep, rich flavors. Final thoughts. The Magnifique 4-quart casserole digital slow cooker is the ultimate kitchen companion for anyone who values convenience, versatility, and exceptional cooking results. From its 4-quart capacity to its oven-safe ceramic pot, this appliance delivers everything you need to prepare delicious, home-cooked meals with ease. The digital controls, hassle-free cleaning, and spill-free design make it perfect for family gatherings, busy schedules, or anyone who wants to elevate their cooking routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.